How to change your age group on Roblox. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some steps in order to do so. So let's just dive right in and get started. So let's head over to our browser and go to roblox.com first and log in if we are not logged in. From here, we can head over to the settings option in the top right and click on it and look out for settings and access the settings of our Roblox and look out for account info section. So usually you can see we have age group option and birthday here. So the thing we can do is we cannot freely change our age group on Roblox, but there are a few cases where it is possible. So Roblox uses your date of birth to decide your age group here, and once set, Roblox locks it for safety reasons. So you can try changing your birthday for that. Look out for the pin icon right beside it, and we can change our birthday here. So we can set up a new date here and click on continue. Once that is done, it will place us on that certain age group within Roblox. This is one of the method. Or if your Roblox has locked it for safety reasons, then you can change your age group, but if only you have entered your wrong birthday. So you can request a correction. For that, what we can do is we can go to roblox.com/support and hit enter, and you will be taken to the contact us page. You can go over, look out for this form right here, and we need to just go and fill out this username email first. And in this main description page, what we can do is we can just go over and explain that your date of birth was created incorrectly and try convincing them in order to change your date of birth. After that, you can click on continue and submit the request. And Roblox may ask for ID proof. You can just go over and provide it up, and Roblox will automatically upgrade your account when you turn 13. You do not need to do anything, and some features may take 24 to 48 hours for it to be loaded. So you can just go over and follow the space for that. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. You can try out the solutions for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.